If you're considering buying Request Tracker for your help desk needs, there are 12 things you should know before making a decision. We'll go over what sets it apart from competitors and help you determine if it's the right choice for your business. Stick around until the end to hear our final recommendation. First off, Request Tracker is known for its flexibility and open source nature. While other help desk solutions can lock you into paid subscriptions, Request Tracker allows you to host it yourself and fully customize it to fit your needs. This is a huge advantage for tech-savvy teams that want total control, but it might not be as simple for smaller businesses that lack an IT team. Next thing to keep in mind is that Request Tracker has a steep learning curve. Unlike some competitors that prioritize ease of use, Request Tracker can be overwhelming for new users. While it's extremely powerful once you get the hang of it, expect to spend some time getting familiar with the interface and setup process. The third thing to know is about its ticket management features. Request Tracker shines in this area, offering robust options for tracking and managing tickets. However, if you need a more modern, visually appealing interface, you might find competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk more appealing. Their user interfaces are slicker, and they offer more customization out of the box. The fourth thing is integrations. Request Tracker offers integrations with email, LDAP, and various other systems, but if you're looking for extensive third-party integrations, competitors may offer more out-of-the-box options. If you use tools like Slack, Jira, or CRMs like Salesforce, you may need to rely on plugins or custom development to integrate them with Request Tracker. Next up, it's reporting and analytics. Request Tracker does provide reporting capabilities, but they're not as advanced or user-friendly as those offered by platforms like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk. For teams that rely heavily on detailed reporting to track performance and customer satisfaction, these competitors could be a better fit. The sixth thing to consider is the level of support. Request Tracker has a strong user community, but official support can be hit or miss. While some competitors offer 24/7 customer support, Request Tracker relies more on community forums and paid support services for troubleshooting. The seventh thing to consider is its cost. Since Request Tracker is open source, the software itself is free, but you will need to factor in the costs of hosting and potentially hiring developers for customization. On the other hand, SAS-based solutions like Freshdesk or Zendesk offer subscription pricing that includes hosting and updates, which can save you time and money in the long run. The eighth thing is the scalability. Request Tracker is highly scalable and works well for large teams or organizations. However, some of its competitors, such as Freshdesk or Zensk, offer more seamless scaling for smaller teams, thanks to their cloud-based setup and ease of use. The ninth thing is security. With its open source nature, Request Tracker gives you control over security, which is an advantage if you need complete control over your data. However, if you're looking for a more hands-off solution where security updates are automatically handled, competitors like Zendesk or Help Scout may be better for you. The 10th thing to consider is customization. Request Tracker excels in customization, allowing you to tailor the system to your specific needs, but this requires some technical know-how. If you're looking for a solution that can be easily customized without needing deep technical expertise, you might want to look into platforms like Zoho Desk or Freshdesk. The 11th thing is mobile access. While Request Tracker is functional on mobile, its interface isn't as optimized for mobile use compared to competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which offer more polished mobile apps that can enhance productivity for remote teams. And finally, performance. Request Tracker is known for its reliability, but performance can vary depending on how it's hosted and configured. Competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk, which are cloud-based, tend to offer more consistent performance with little to no downtime. So, is Request Tracker a good choice? Absolutely. If you need a flexible, open-source help desk solution and have the technical resources to manage it, Request Tracker is a solid option. However, if you're looking for something easier to set up, with better integrations, reporting, and support, there are alternatives that might be a better fit. For a more user-friendly, scalable solution that's ready to go out of the box, check out our recommended help desk software. Try it for free today.